Yes, you must have heard about organic marketing, inorganic marketing, pull marketing, push marketing, but I'm sure you must have not heard about the force marketing and the flow marketing. You must not have heard about the hammer marketing or the water marketing. Yes, these are some new terms which I have been talking with my audience, and this is entirely different. Yes, the fundamentals are entirely different. So, push and pull marketing, must be knowing it, right? Push, normally people do content like YouTube channel is kind of a push marketing. You already push your content so that people see and come to you, right? Pull marketing is primarily organic, where you put content in such a way that people are coming to you as inbound leads. Right now, what I'm gonna talk about is flow marketing. Yes, water marketing compared to a force marketing or a hammer marketing. The names are quite obvious and it's very self-explanatory that you don't have to force yourself to the people so that people start seeing you and believing you. No, it doesn't work that way. The more you force yourself, the more people will go away from you. Yes, that's how the human psychology works. So you have to come yourself in a way of water. Like water makes its own way, slowly, steadily, from whenever they find the water finds gaps and it goes from top to down. So make your personality such big and such high that it starts flowing down smoothly and people start recognizing you, trusting you, believing you. That's what I mean by flow marketing. Yes, it's not a theory thing. You have to understand how it works. So that is where comes into the new concept of aura building, I call it. Aura building, aura marketing. And it works tremendously well. So if you want to know about it, join me, my workshops, or connect with me in any ways. I'll be there to help you out. But remember, this flow marketing is enormously powerful. You don't have to force yourself to anybody in this world. People will start coming to you. That's again a part of attraction marketing, or you can say the beauty of this flow marketing, which attracts people. Yes, find me somewhere, do connect, do register for my workshop if you are willing to know more about it, and I'll be there to help you out. See you.